In early 2026, a shocking surge of bankruptcies hit major U.S. companies.
At least 18 large firms with over $50 million in liabilities filed Chapter 11 in Q1. One brutal stretch saw 9 major filings, the highest since 2020.
Retail giants were hit hardest, Dominoes falling one after another.
Iconic brands face sudden collapse under massive debt and declining sales. Chapter 11 became the tool for restructuring or survival. From luxury malls to fast food chains, the wave spread nationwide. Overleveraging and economic pressures exposed hidden weaknesses. Executives watched empires crumble in weeks.
What started as isolated cases became a full wave.
Signals of broader corporate distress emerged.
The 2026 collapse had begun.
Saks Global, parent of Saks Fifth Avenue and Neiman Marcus, filed in January. A failed $2.7 billion merger led to $3.4 billion debt and cash shortfalls. Bauer filed in February, citing declining sales and supply issues. Over 170 U.S.-Canada stores faced closure without a buyer. Fat brands filed with $1.226 billion debt acceleration. Shadowed by ongoing federal scrutiny into executive actions. Mall staple Francesca's filed its second bankruptcy in years. Reliance on dying malls sealed its fate. These weren't isolated, retail led the surge. Court documents revealed years of mounting pressures. Even luxury couldn't escape the wave. One filing triggered fears of more. Massive debt from mergers and loans crushed balance sheets. Shift to online shopping devastated brick and mortar. Declining mall traffic accelerated the pain. Post-pandemic inflation and high interest rates added fuel. In cases like fat brands, federal probes strained resources. Models out of sync with consumer changes proved fatal. What worked for decades no longer did.
These were symptoms of deeper corporate vulnerabilities. Analysts warned of more to come.
A signal for broader economic distress?
Regulators and markets watched closely.
The wave exposed cracks everywhere.
Some seek buyers or slim down to survive. Liquidations created deals, but at huge cost.
Lessons: adapt or face the domino effect.
Survivors pivot to online and efficiency.
Greed and overreach must yield to resilience. The wave may reshape retail forever.
Another chapter in the corporate crimes series.
Which collapse next? Comment below.
Like, subscribe, notifications on for more.
When empires ignore warning signs, everyone pays. Next episode soon. This video is for educational purposes only and is based on publicly available court records. Thanks for watching. Stay aware.